Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share my experience about this beautiful cucumber falls located in Ohiopyle State Park, Pennsylvania. This is actually a short and scenic 0.2-mile loop, a trail near in Ohiopyle State Park, Pennsylvania. Showcase a beautiful waterfall. It is suitable for all skill levels and it's perfect for hiking, walking, nature trips, and bird watching. It's best enjoyed from the April to October, offering very beautiful picturesque settings. And yeah, I had really very amazing experience in the waterfall, and it actually looks more beautiful after rainfall. So if you are lucky enough to come here after rainfall, the water level rises a little bit, and water run through the streams. Looks so beautiful, and yeah, this is actually a very nearby the Ohiopyle State Park camping ground. So I was camping here with my friends over the weekend in 2022 September, and we decided to have some hiking around, and we found this beautiful fall, and we had amazing time with this with the hike around the Cucumber Fall. It's not that far from the parking area as well, and if you just want to come here and visit the fall, if you don't want to hike around, that's also perfectly fine. You don't have to walk too much. It's just 0.2 miles from the parking lot, and it is so beautiful, guys. I would definitely recommend coming here and enjoy the fall. And yeah, I hope you have enjoyed the video, guys. Take care. I'll see you in my next video.